hands. Okay, Christopher, show me your hands. Hands up. Hands down. Put your hands in and shake them all about. That's the hokey pokey. Hands in, hands out. Can you shake your hands? Shake them, shake them, shake them. Okay. Left hand and right hand. William, can you show me your left hand? Is that your left hand?
Yeah.
Where's your right hand?
Okay.
Which hand is the left hand?
This.
This hand is the left hand?
Yes.
And which hand is this hand?
Right hand.
You can make an L with your left hand. Big L, like that. L. See? L. L for left. Easy. Left hand in. And left hand out. Oh. Well, shake them, yeah, shake them all about. Shake your hands. Oh, right hand in. Right hand out. Clap your right hand. You put your right hand in, you put your left hand out. That's it, Doobie Doobop. I have the words for the song. This is fun. Ooh. In and out and in, out and.
Okay, everybody, it's time to do the hokey pokey. Let's start with our left hands. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡.